Hey guys, guess what? So today I am building a bracket here. Okay, I'm planning to install a fog light right here, or a drive LED light right here. It's sort of like a floodlight or a spotlight. It'll be right here. It'll go from under here, which comes here, up here, and then goes like that. And it's gonna sit right here. Okay, the reason why I want it to be right here is so that if need to, if it's a spotlight, I can open the window, take my hand, and swivel it the way I like it. Now, I noticed that there are some folks who installed brackets here so that they can install their lights right here. That's a very good idea and all, but it just doesn't fit my fancy. And when you turn on the spotlight or the fog light, basically the light here highlights the front of the hood. And here in California, we have a lot of fog. If you should turn on the light here, basically, you know, it blinds you. If you've ever driven in the fog, you know what I mean. You never turn on your high beam. The reason is because it's just a white bowl of soup when you're driving in the fog. So the reason why I want to put it right here is because I have an option of swiveling it out this way, out that way, out up there, and however I want it. Okay, so this is the outcome of the bracket. Here it is. Okay, all of this is done by a vise and some hammering to make the angles. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill a hole here, widen this hole a little bit, these holes a little bit more, so that I can bolt it in. Okay, and I'll show you how it looks like at the end. Okay, so now I have my brackets painted, and I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then after that we're going to mount it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Fully bolted in, rock solid. And so now all I need to do is get a friggin' fog lamp right here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, it's positioned right behind the snorkel here. However, I've drilled a hole right here so that it can be positioned right next to it like that. This thing won't block. Okay, and one would think that if you open this, it'll hit the snorkel, but watch this. See that? Ain't gonna hit nothing. Okay, there. Okay, so that's that. It's a pretty nice install right here. It's pretty sturdy. Suffice to say, it won't come off. Okay, here as well, as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. And I'm gonna go get some LED lights and install them and show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so these are the fog lights that I'll be installing. Okay, and this is the bracket, a bag for each side. So we're going to install this onto the... So we're going to install this thing right here. Okay. This setup is actually really easy. This goes right here, like that. It's really easy. This bolt goes right here, just like that. See how this thing curves inward like that? It goes to the last groove or this groove. Okay, let's go put it on. Touch it. And then we're going to put this on too. Didn't realize that this is a standard bolt nut. So this is a 9/16 nut. Okay, so I've adjusted this so that this thing can open, go like that, okay? And also this thing can open and close. And that's how I want it. I don't want it to be, I want it to be a little bit this way, so it'll shine that way. I don't want it to shine forward, I want it to shine this way. That's my aim here. That's why it's going to crook it, but that's what I want to do. The reason I do this is because I already have fog lights in the front that are shining forward. Okay, that's that. And so I've already done the other side. I'm doing this side. Okay, that's pretty cool. So as you can see there's one light right there, and the other light's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna hook it up to a power source, and we'll go on from there. Okay, so here's a review. See, it can close and it can open, okay, without any obstruction. Close, open without any obstruction. Door opens and close without obstruction. And the other side as well. Watch this. Let's see. There. Okay guys, so it's done. The if you can see the light there. Okay. I'll do a little test at night to see how bright it is. There. It's pretty cool. As you can see, it's pointed diagonal from the car. Okay, and at night we could see how bright this thing is. Okay, so here I am. I am going to be doing a test on the side lights that I installed. Okay, so this is my driving light there. Okay, this is my high beam there. Okay, driving light, high beam, driving light without fog light. I'll show you. Okay, that's without the fog light. With fog light. Okay, so this will be my off-road light, the high off-road light, okay, and then the lower off-road light, okay, as you can see there. And now I'm gonna do my left light there and my right light there. Okay, so I can see almost 180 degrees. Okay, and yep, so I'll show you how it looks like outside. Again, let me do this. I'm gonna turn off my driving light. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my high off-road light. I'm gonna turn my lower off-road light, and I still have my side mirror lights on. Okay. As you can see, it's almost 180 degrees. I'd say 160 degrees. Okay. And I'm gonna turn on all my lights. my driving light, okay, my high off-road light, okay, and my lower off-road light. So let's go outside and take a look. Okay, so I'm outside. I'm walking the distance here. And this is how the bad boy looks. Okay. Okay, so this is to let you know, unlike the other lights that is mounted onto the hinge of the hood, this is mounted on the side of the mirror. So what we have is, when you turn on the light, your hood is not illuminated. Thereby, you can drive comfortably. Okay. And that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.